JetBlue 710, reduce speed to 180 now.
180 on the speed, JetBlue 710.
American 3129, descend and maintain 3000.
710, 3000, American 3129.
JetBlue 710, turn left heading 330.
330 heading JetBlue 710.
Transport 3327, Heavy Kennedy Towers, 191.
Approach JetBlue 168 with Foxtrot 4000.
JetBlue 168, hello.
Hello.
JetBlue 710, turn left heading 320.
320 heading JetBlue 710.
American 3129, reduce speed to 180.
Speed 180, American 3129.
Delta 265, heavy speed 210. Delta 265, heavy speed 210.
Slow into 210, Delta 265 heavy, we're at 5,000.
Delta 1792, left turn 340.
Left turn heading 340, Delta 1792.
Scandinavia 915 heavy heading 240, join the localizer. JetBlue 710 heading 250, your port from Zalpo 2000 now to your established cleared ILS 22 left.
Okay, 250, 2000 now till established ILS 22 left, JetBlue 710.
Scandinavia 915 heavy heading 200 to join please. JetBlue 710, speed 160.
160, JetBlue 710.
American 3129, descend and maintain 2000.
17, 2000, American 3129.
Delta 1792, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend 3000, Delta 1792.
JetBlue 168, descend and maintain 3000.
Down to 3000, JetBlue 168.
JetBlue 710, the speed is 160, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1.
191, JetBlue 710.
Scandinavia 915 heavy, your cleared ILS runway 22 left, speed 170.
Cleared ILS 22 left, speed 170.
Delta 265 heavy, descend and maintain 4000.
Was that for Delta 265?
8 firm, 4000 please.
Down to 4,000, 265 heavy.
JetBlue 168, turn left heading 010.
5000.
JetBlue 168 heading 010.
010 heading JetBlue 168.
American 3129, left turn 270.
27, 3129.
JetBlue 2617, hello, speed 210.
Speed 210, JetBlue 2670.
American 3129, continue left 250, join the localizer.
So let's localize American 3129.
Delta 265 heavy, reduce speed to 190.
Slow to 190, Delta 265 heavy.
American 3129, speed 170.
3170, American 3129.
Delta 1792, reduce speed to 180.
So 180 knots up to 1792.
Delta 265 heavy, left turn 270.
Left turn 270, Delta 265 heavy.
Scandinavia 915 heavy, speed 170, Kennedy Towers 191.
Speed 170 and tower with 191.
7958 heavy 5.3 for 4.
JetBlue 168, turn left heading 340.
340 heading JetBlue 168.
JetBlue 2617, turn right heading 360 to vector for sequence.
Right heading 360 JetBlue 260.
Delta 958 heavy, hello.
Hello.
American 3129, you are cleared ILS runway 22 left, speed 160 now.
Left, speed 160 American 31.
Delta 1792, descend and maintain 2000.
2,000 feet Delta 1792.
Delta 265 heavy, descend and maintain 3000.
Down to 3,000, Delta 265 heavy.
JetBlue 168, speed 190.
190 JetBlue 168.
JetBlue 2617, speed 190.
What 190 JetBlue 2670.
Delta 265 heavy, heading 250, join the localizer 22 right.
Heading 250 on join the localizer for 22 right, Delta 265 heavy.
American 3129, 160 knots until Zalpo, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1, good day.
163 Zalpo, 19 today, ma'am, American 309.
JetBlue 168, turn back right, heading 360.
360 JetBlue 160.
Delta 1792, heading 250, join the localizer 22 left.
250 heading to join the 22 left localizer Delta 1792.
JetBlue 2617, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend and maintain 3000 JetBlue 2670.
Delta 265, heavy, you're 9 miles from Matador, cleared ILS runway 22 right.
Cleared the ILS 22 right, Delta 265 heavy.
Delta 1792, you are cleared ILS runway 22 left, 2000 until you're established, speed 180.
2000 so established, cleared ILS 22 left Delta 1792.
Delta 958 heavy, turn left heading 360.
360 Delta 958 heavy.
JetBlue 168, turn back to the left heading 340.
340 heading JetBlue 168.
JetBlue 2617, turn left heading 340.
340 JetBlue 2670.
JetBlue 168, speed 170 now.
70, 168.
Delta 265, heavy 180 or better to matter, Kennedy Towers 23-9.
180 and 23-9, Delta 265 heavy.
Delta 958 heavy, if I didn't give it to you already, speed 210 knots, please.
Okay, phone to 210, Delta 958.
Thank you. JetBlue 2617, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend and maintain 3000, up 2617.
JetBlue 168, descend and maintain 2000.
Down to 2, JetBlue 168.
Delta 1792, 180 knots or better until Alpha, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1, good day.
180 or better to Zalpa to the tower, good day, Delta 1792.
JetBlue 2617, heading 320.
Heading 320, JetBlue 2617.
Breakout 5804, New York, speed 210.
210, breakout 5804.
JetBlue 2617, heading 270.
Heading 270, JetBlue 2617.
JetBlue 168, heading 240, you're 11 miles from Alpha, 2 to establish, clear ILS 22 left.
240, 2000 to establish, clear ILS 22 left, JetBlue 168.
Delta 1792, Kennedy Towers 19-1. Delta 958 heavy, reduce speed to 180.
Phone to 180, Delta 958 heavy.
Breakout 5804, reduce speed to 180.
180, breakout 5804.
JetBlue 2617, descend and maintain 2000.
Descend and maintain 2000, JetBlue 2617.
Delta 958 heavy, descend and maintain 3000.
Delta 958 heavy, 443.
JetBlue 168, speed 160.
168.
Breakout 5804, descend and maintain 4000.
4000, breakout 5804.
JetBlue 2617, heading 250, you're 14 miles from Alpha, 2000 till you're established, clear ILS runway 22 left.
250, 2000 still established, clear for ILS 22 left, JetBlue 2617.
JetBlue 168, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1, good day.
191, 168.
JetBlue 2617, speed 170.
Little 170, JetBlue 2617.
Delta 958 heavy, turn left, heading 340.
340, Delta 958 heavy.
Breakout 5804, heading 340.
340, breakout 5804.
Delta 958 heavy, descend and maintain 2000.
958 heavy, 3.5 for 2.
Breakout 5804, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, breakout 5804.
Delta 958 heavy, turn left, heading 300.
300, Delta 958 heavy.
Breakout 5804, if I didn't give it to you, speed 180 knots.
Speed is 180, breakout 5804.
JetBlue 2617, speed 170. JetBlue 2617, speed 170.
170 on the speed, JetBlue 2617.
Delta 958 heavy, heading 250 to 12 miles from Alpha, 2000 until you're established, clear the ILS runway 22 left, approach.
250, 2000 still established, clear for ILS 22 left, Delta 958 heavy.
Breakout 5804, heading 320.
320, breakout 5804.